Hey folks, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a really nice car. This is a 2011 BMW 328i. This has got the reliable motor in it, not the 335, which has a lot of problems. Very nice car. Only 17,500 miles on this car. One owner. This car lived its whole life in California. A nice dry climate. It's platinum bronze metallic. I know it's kind of hard to see here in the shade, but it's a kind of a grayish, bronzy champagne color. Kind of changes a little bit in the light. Let's see if we can get there we go, there's a little bit. Really nice car, good tires. We've got 2 keys, all the books. It's a hardtop convertible. It's an automatic. Really clean beige leather in here. Sand beige. It's a non-smoker car, of course. And the interior is just flawless. It's really very nice and clean. It looks like a brand new car in here. Seat, there's no wear and tear on that. Kick panels look great. It's got power memory seats, which is premium package. It does have heated seats right there. It's got the Harman Kardon sound system. Steering wheel controls. Just a really nice car here. Everything works perfect. Clean Carfax, no accidents. If you're looking for an inexpensive, nice little convertible, this is it. It's got the xenon lights. Really good, fun little cars, budget friendly. We can ship anywhere in the country. Can do long distance deals, no problem, over email, text message. If you've got a company you want to finance with, we can work with them as well. Really easy to get a hold of us here. Point out a couple things. There was a couple wheels that had a scuff. Not that one. Not that one. Let's see. Yeah, this one's got a little bit of a curb rash right there. And this one's got a little curb rash right there. My wheel guy comes, we'll get that taken care of, but that's a minor thing, very easy to fix. So go ahead and subscribe to our channel here, Rogers Motor Cars. You can also follow us on Instagram. We post a lot there. That's Rogers_Motor Cars. You can check out the website, rogersmotorcars.com. Cell phone numbers there. Feel free to call or text. And we hope to hear from you soon on this one. Really pretty car. Thank you very much.